Hi guys, welcome back to Ultimate Gardening. I'm Emmanuel, the creator and owner of Ultimate Gardening. So today in this exciting sprouting video, I have huge, great, exciting news to share with you guys. So before anything and before we start this video, I want to give a huge shout out to the Bluegrass Homestead channel for working with us and making this experiment and this great news possible. So please go ahead and check their channel out. Their link will be up here for you to check out. Highly recommend their channel. Go subscribe to them, show them some support. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video. So guys, a few weeks ago or a few days ago, I did an experiment with the Bluegrass Homestead channel. So me and Jessica sort of like worked together to see if I could offer some of these plants up to you guys for you guys to get purchased and try them yourself. So the first round of shipment, I went ahead and I sent her the Wasabi Coleus, Beaming Burgundy Coleus, the Velvet Delight Purple Wishbone Flower, and also the Berry Smoothie Heuchera from the Growing Colors company. So all those were an amazing combination towards the plants, and so the first shipment did not go really great. The USPS sort of treated the plants really bad, and so the plants got to her not alive, unfortunately. But moving on, I went ahead and I did a replacement of those plants. So I went ahead and I sent her once more Beaming Burgundy Coleus. I also sent her the Sunrise Coleus, and I also sent her the Arizona Apricot Gallarda from the Growing Colors company. So all of those are amazing plants that she decided she would like, so I decided to send them over to her as sort of as a replacement from the first three. So I have a short clip for you guys that Jessica sent over for you guys to see how the plants looked when they arrived. So please go ahead and check out this video now.
Hi everybody, Bluegrass Homestead fans, Ultimate Gardening fans. We have some great news. We had a very good success with Emmanuel sending his plants up here. He changed the way he was shipping them. He changed the way he was packaging them, and I'm so happy it worked. So this we received today in the mail. This is the Purple Coleus. This is a replacement for the other one that got damaged. Guys, it came out beautiful. I know he was a little concerned about them wilting in the mail. I don't think you could ask for a better result. This was in the mail for 4 days. 4 days, and it went from Florida all the way up to Kentucky, so we have temperature extremes, a lot of changes. They did great. So this one right here is the Arizona Apricot Gallarda. Beautiful plant. I'm really looking forward to seeing how this grows. I like all these plants too that he sent because they can all be mixed together, planted in same pots together, and they're beautiful. So, and this is the Sunrise Coleus. It's purple, pink, lime green. It's beautiful. Different textures, different colors. And this is, it showed up unwilted, undamaged. He has done an excellent job repackaging, repurposing, and changing the way he's going to send these. So if you are interested in ordering any plants from Emmanuel, please go to Ultimate Gardening channel. Please contact him through his Instagram, and he can give you his email and other contact information to find out. But I am very excited for him. Please support him. He's a young man who's growing, propagating his own plants, starting his own business. Not something he even planned to do necessarily, but because of how beautiful his plants are and how dedicated he is, we've really tried to encourage him to think that maybe he could run a business. It'll be beneficial to his family and beneficial to those around him. Please support him. Go talk to him. If there's a plant you see in one of his videos, leave a comment and ask him for information about it. He's promised to provide these plants at the lowest cost possible. He's really not looking to make much off of them. This is truly a passion of his, and so we should support him.
So guys, as you heard from Jessica, the plants arrived to her amazingly in my surprise. The package was delayed an entire day, so 4 days in mail time is an enormous time, and we thought it wasn't going to survive, but the odds were completely destroyed, and it went ahead and did great. So those plants are slightly leggy towards one side because they were facing the sun. So the only thing Jessica has to do is go ahead and expose them to more sun so they can perk right to a straight plant and water them in, and then they're completely fine. So you guys know, if the plants arrive to her well, we're creating the Ultimate Gardening Business website. So now, excitingly, the website will be created. Oh my God, I'm so excited, you guys. So I have 6 plants I would like to showcase to you guys that will be on the market. 4 of them are regular plants that I have a good amount of stock on, but 2 of them are limited edition, you guys. So first come, first serve, you guys. It's crazy. So starting off with the first limited edition plant is the Beaming Purple Coleus, or Beaming Burgundy Coleus as I name it, from the Ultimate Gardening Plant Collection year 2020. This is a huge hit, you guys. In my channel, a lot of people love this, so I only have a few in stock, you guys. So once they're up, they'll be up, and once all of them are gone, they are gone. But until we have a bigger stock, more of these will go out to you guys. So to be fair and give a fair amount of chances to everybody that loves this Coleus, only 1 purple Coleus will be going out to you guys. So set your alarm so for when all these plants will be starting to be listed on eBay. So the next limited edition, I only have like very little or few in stock. I have the Sunrise Coleus from the Ultimate Gardening Plant Collection year 2020. Once we have a bigger stock of these, they'll be up in stock, but once they're gone until further notice. So if you would like your hands on these, put your alarms once more for when these are starting to be listed. Later on in the video, I'll tell you the launch or listed dates of these and all the information on that. So right here, I have a regular Coleus right here. This is called the Fireblaze Green Coleus from the Ultimate Gardening Plant Collection year 2020. So I'm really excited because this is a wonderful Coleus. This is one of my favorite Coleus, you guys. Vibrant green Coleus with the really deep red burgundy stem. It's amazing, you guys. Highly recommend it. I have a regular amount of stock. So 2 of these will be able to go to you guys individually because the amount of stock. We have the Wasabi Coleus next, you guys. I have an enormous stock of these, you guys. So like 3 of these will be going to individual, like based on the amount of plants, is based on how much you could purchase yourself. So I have a huge stock of these, you guys. Like I kept propagating. I have a huge amount. So you guys will be able to get your fair amount of Wasabi Coleus. So this is the Wasabi Coleus, the Ultimate Gardening Plant Collection year 2020. Moving on to the next plant, we have the Velvet Delights Purple Wishbone Flower right here, you guys. This is an amazing performer. Really delicate leaves, stems, flowers. Amazing plant. I highly recommend it. They grow really fast. So as you can see, I have this really short one. These will be listed on the on the market as these small plants, but once they're grown to be a bigger size, you just have to plant them, put a bit of fertilizer, and they'll boost right up. So these will be marketed this size because I have a whole tray of these. Once more, the Velvet Delight Purple Wishbone Flower. Moving on, we have another beautiful wishbone flower. This is another series of the Delights. This is the Delight Pink Wishbone Flower. Really love this one. It's the exact same replica of the purple one, except the flowers are more delicate but like lighter in color. So the delightful purple velvet wishbone flower is a deeper flower, looks like velvet, the purple velvet, but these are softer pink. So these is called the Delight Pink Wishbone Flower. It's an amazing performer. I have another one coming up for you guys, but it will be later on in the website or in a few months because I just propagated them. But it's of course called the, get ready for this, Delight Burgundy Wishbone Flower. it's been shown on this channel before, but I don't know if you guys have seen it, but it's a limited edition for the website once they get into fuller size. But once more, these are series, so it's basically in the 3 series is the Delight Burgundy Wishbone Flower, the Delight Velvet Purple Wishbone Flower, and we have the Delight Light Pink Wishbone Flower. Really love these series, you guys. It's an amazing plant. I highly recommend it. So the day has come for me to tell you guys when these will start to be listed. So you guys, these will start being listed in tomorrow. By the afternoon, these will start being listed. So set your alarms on. These will start being listed tomorrow at 6 o'clock p.m. you guys. So set your alarms because these babies at 6 o'clock will be started to be listed on eBay and you'll be able to purchase them. So as a reminder, you guys, I am a student. I work and I do online classes. So I like to do orders. So if I'm a slow process or I'm a person that does orders, I'm really sorry. It's just all the work I have to do on online classes. But once more, it's exciting. So this is a bit of a taste of all the plants that will be listed on the collection. So this is an entire collection, you guys. If you haven't heard from all the collection I've been calling, this whole plant that will be listed is from the year 2020. It's called the Ultimate Gardening Plant Collection year 2020. But once more, there'll be new arrivals for next year. And also, Jessica from the Bluegrass Homestead channel is actually one of our official Ultimate Gardening influencers. She's going to be influencing our plants and will be showcased, so there's advantages to that. So highly suggest her channel and all that types of stuff. So let's go ahead and wrap this video up for you guys. So guys, that's it for this exciting sprouting video. Once more, a huge shout out to Jessica from the Bluegrass Homestead channel for being one of our influencers and also helping us on this journey. I'm really thankful for you guys. You guys are amazing. So please guys, go support the channel. They really deserve it. Their social media links and website will be down below for you to check out. Please guys, go support them. They really do deserve it because they're really nice people. Their whole family is so sweet and kind. If you haven't seen the latest video that we did together, the link will be up here for you to check out. Please go watch that video. But yeah, all these plants will be listed tomorrow at 6 o'clock p.m. Set your alarms, you guys, because this will be really excited. And once more, these will be limited edition, so snatch them while you can. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Once more, huge shout out to Bluegrass Homestead for making this video possible and also working with us and being one of our influencers. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. And if you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out, just like this one, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out. Once more, check out Bluegrass Homestead channel. They're an amazing channel. Highly recommend them. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Grow big, ultimate gardeners. Bye guys.